Welcome again to another training session with Daradesloe. Today we'll be looking at how to use opportunity for Africans platform to look for grants opportunity, fellowship opportunity, and all other opportunities that you can think about. So the website is www.opportunitiesforafricans.com. So this is where you access information about grants opportunity, especially if you are between the age of 18 and 35 years old. You need to check this website every week because they show opportunities for young Africans. So let's look at their information at their head menu. Here you have call for nomination, call for papers, call for proposals and awards, scholarship here for undergraduates, masters and postgraduates. We have fellowships, we have internships, we have newsletters, then they have disclaimer. So, how do you use this platform? There are a few things we encourage people to be using on this platform. But before I go on, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that right now because you want to be receiving information on a regular basis about grants opportunity, business opportunity, how to access great opportunity this year. So let's look at some of the opportunity that they have right now. They have a lot of opportunities, and this is one of the recent posts: IBM Research Africa Postdoctoral Fellowship 2021 for young South Africans. This is for young South Africans. The Global Water Partnership Youth Leadership Fellowship for young professionals. We have Guarantee Trust Bank GT Graduate Training Program for young Nigerians. The United Nations Economic Commission for Africa, ECA Fellowship for young African fellowship for young African professionals, 3,000 US dollar monthly stipends. So Google Career Certificate Scholarship. So these are scholarships that you can access MTN Nigeria Global Graduate Development Program. So when you see platforms like this, the first thing you should do, like I always teach us, is go and look for where you can subscribe and put your email. It's very important. It's like the number one thing you should do when you get to platforms like this. Look for where you can submit your email so that you can begin to receive updates and information from them regularly. So, the look at their popular categories, some of the things that are published over time. So, you go to their social media handles, opportunities for Africa. You follow them on Twitter, you follow them on Facebook, all the social media handles, follow them so that you can like their Facebook page, so that you can get updates as they are releasing this information. Uh, there's a program here, Lagos Business School Non-Profit Leadership and Management Certificate Program. So that is on. So you come here and look for opportunities that fits you and you are able to do. So look at where you will subscribe now. So when you click on subscribe now, it will take you to where you can put in your email, first name, last name, and that is how you will subscribe. And look at a lot of things they have here. You need to visit this platform regularly. You need to visit it regularly, especially if you want to be winning grants this year. You don't want to be hearing all this opportunity and you are not taking action. You need to take action. Let's look at entrepreneurship and see what they have. Now, German government creating perspective business for development program 2018 for Israel. This is 2018 now. Now, this platform has been existing for a number of years, so you see different opportunities here. Let's look at this GT PAM program and see some of the opportunities you will see there. So this is Guaranty Trust Bank GTB Graduate Training Program 2021 for young Nigerian graduates. So what are the criteria? Now the application deadline is March 22nd, 2021, and the job title is graduate trainee, and the age not more than 26 years of age. This age is currently going down every year. Since from 29 or 28, it starts there going down, and you must not be more than 26 years of age. And it's just so interesting. So interesting. So this is opportunity for Africans.com. So ensure that you visit this platform every week. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that right now, because this is where you continue to receive information updates on grants, opportunity, fellowship opportunity, and all the opportunity that you can position yourself for this year. So I want to say that you should give time to apply for some of this opportunity and go big and win big this year. Thank you very much.